Hello everyone. So this is a continuation of partial fractions. Now, my name is Yusuf, and before we begin, kindly like and subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll be looking at how to compose a partial fraction that involves quadratic factors. Now, I won't beat around the bush. Let me just jump to an example. I'll only give one example and then one task. Suppose you have 6x squared plus 21x plus 11. The root of this is over something like x squared plus 3, then x plus 5. So, decompose this. Basically, what you have to understand is that the top should always be a degree less than the bottom factor that you have. So, if you look at this is the quadratic factor. So, you know that when you have x squared plus 3, it's the same as x squared plus 0x plus 3. So you need to find the top numerator that is of this form, less than that. So this will be a x plus what? B over what you have, x squared plus what? 3 plus c over x plus 5. Now upon doing that, you can now do the basic. Multiply everything by this. So multiplying everything by x squared plus 3, then x plus what? 5. If you do that, remember this, and that will cancel. So you have 6x squared plus 21x plus 11 is equal to this by that. You will find that this will cancel out, and you only have ax plus b times x plus 5. Plus, if this expands with that, you only have c multiplying x squared plus what? 3. Like that. So now, once you have this, you can get this one, and then say x is equal to what? -5, because you've now solved for what? X. Then you plug. You have 6, -5 squared plus 21, -5 plus 11 is equal to a, -5 plus b, then -5 plus 5 plus c by -5 squared plus what? 3. Now, once you do this, once you follow this simple procedure, all you have to do now is to expand for it. Say, so you can say 6, you can say -5 squared will give you 25 times 6 will give you 150. Okay, so here you have 150. Then if you do 21 multiplied by 5, -5, you have a 105, yes, plus 11. And this will equal you to, this will give you -5a, get a -5a. So sorry about that. This is an expansion form. So to put that, go to put a, it's fine. -5a plus b. You're multiplying -5 plus 5, which will give you a 0, plus 25 plus what? 3 times c. So automatically this point gives you a 0. So you have 150 subtracting 105, which will give you 45 plus 11, which will give you 56. So get 56 this side. And this side will give you, since this will give you a 0, you have 25 plus 3, which will give you 28c. And 28c being equal to 56. Try and divide both sides by 28, and this side 28. The value of c will end up being 2. As simple as that. Now that you have the value of c, let's try to find the other values of the other variables present. So don't forget what's here. Alright, remember, we're having a format of this form. We're having something that is of a nature of this. Remember this? Let's pick it up from here. Yeah, picking it up from here will be way better. Alright, let's pick it up from there. So we have 6x squared plus 21x plus 11 is equal to ax plus b by x plus 5 plus c open brackets x squared plus 3. Alright, wonderful. Now, at this point, I can assume x to be anything. Assume x is 0. What am I going to get? So 6, 0 squared plus 21, 0 plus 11 is equal to. The moment I plug a 0 here, I get 0. Then C, sorry, I won't really get a 0. I want. Let's try and put it in. A 0 plus B, like that. Yeah, okay. Let's try and see. Y takes 0 plus 5 plus C, then 0 plus what? Square plus 3. Yeah. Let's try and see where it takes us. Alright, this is wonderful. Okay, so let us see how it goes. Okay, so what will happen is this. Here you get a 0, 0, 0. You get 11 there. Then you get a B times a 5 there. Then a C times a 3. Okay, wonderful. So you get this 11 is equal to 5B plus 3C. So it's like having 5B plus 3C being equal to 11, isn't it? Yes. Now, what you have to bear in mind is that we did find the value of what? C. We found the value of C to be 2. Let's try and plug in for C. So 5B plus 3, C is 2, 11. So 5B plus 6 is equal to 11. So 5B is equal to 11 minus 6. So 5B is equal to what? Alright, wonderful. So if you subtract that, you get a 5, isn't it? Divide by 5, divide by 5. So the value of B in turn will now be 1. So keep having assumptions. Let's assume another part. Pick it up from 6x squared plus 21, x plus 11 is equal to ax plus b, then x plus 5 plus c, then x squared plus 3. Alright, now let's assume x to equal to, let's pick some numbers, let's say 1. So what happens? 21x should be 1 plus 11 is equal to a times 1 plus b, then 1 plus 5 plus c, 1 squared plus 3. So you have 6 plus 21 plus 11 is equal to a plus b times 6 plus c times 4. Okay, this is wonderful. Alright, so let's see what we can do here. Remember, I can substitute here if I feel like. It's only a big deal. We can substitute. Well, anyway, let's just first for it out. Okay, we can solve the left part. We can say 6 plus 21 plus 11 give us 38. Is equal to 6 times a is 6a, 6 times b, 6b plus 4c. Now remember that having 6a plus 6b plus 4c being equal to 38 won't really give us all that we need. Remember, in this case, we're solving for a. So let's take everything on the other side. 38 minus 6b minus 4c. Remember that b was what? 1. And c was what? 2. So 6a is equal to 38 minus 6, b is 1, c is 2. So 6a is equal to, if you do the math right there, if you do the simple math, you will find that upon simplifying this side, you end up having something like 24. Since you're interested in a and not 6a, divide both sides by 6, and the value of a in turn will just be 4. Now you have all the values you need. You can just put them back now. So now remember, we had this 6x squared plus 21, x plus 11. All of this was over x squared plus 3, then x plus 3. In our decomposition, we had ax plus b over x squared plus 3 plus c over x plus 5. Now remember, in our data, we have found the following. C is 2, b is 1, and a is what? 4. So you can just plug. So say 4x plus 1 over x squared plus 3 plus 2 over x plus 5. This is our decomposition. Simple as that. So let me give you a task. So send the answer directly to my inbox on WhatsApp and I'll mark you from there. Do a partial decomposition in x plus 1. Alright, thank you for watching this video. My name is Mr. Hussein. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Alright.